Okay, today we are going to do derivatives of logarithmic functions. This will be the last part of differentiation. Okay, basically what you need to know is when you differentiate ln ax plus b, what happens is first we differentiate what's inside the bracket. So ax plus b differentiated gives you a, multiply. So you just remove the ln, alright, and just take the inverse of ax plus b. So you get 1 over ax plus b. As usual, I think having numbers will be more useful to you, so I will begin with something very simple. Y equals to ln x. Okay, first and foremost, I differentiate y with respect to x. Differentiating x, okay, first ln x, right, we have the inverse, okay, take away ln, we have inverse 1 over x. And don't forget to differentiate x. Differentiating x gives you 1. So differentiating ln x simply gives me 1 over x. Okay, now take it easy. We have another example. Okay, example 2. Y equals to ln of 3x plus 5. Differentiating y with respect to x. First thing we do is we take the inverse of 3x plus 5, so I get 1 over 3x plus 5. Then it's like chain rule, okay, you have to differentiate what's inside the bracket. 3x plus 5 differentiated gives you 3, so you multiply by 3. That's why dy dx is 3 over 3x plus 5. Can so far? Okay. Now we move on to something a bit more complicated. Alright, the complicated one will be this. Part 3. Part 3 we have y is equals to ln of 7 minus 2x cubed. So first and foremost what I do is I differentiate y with respect to x. Okay, so first, always we take the inverse of what is inside here. So I take the inverse of 7 minus 2x cubed. I get 1 over 7 minus 2x cubed. Then we have to differentiate everything inside here. So to differentiate everything inside here, first what we do is take down the 3. We get 7 minus 2x. 3 minus 1 is 2. Square. Alright. Times. Again, we differentiate what's inside the bracket. Negative 2x gives me negative 2. So, in the end, what we will get is negative 6x, 7 minus 2x square over 7 minus 2x cubed. In this case, we can actually simplify. Eliminate, you get negative 6x over 7 minus 2x. Okay, that's part 3. Okay, part 4. Example 4 rather. Example 4, what I'm going to do for you is this. Okay, y is equals to ln of 1 plus sine x. Again, same idea that we have been doing so far. You take the inverse of whatever's inside. So it's 1 over 1 plus sine x. Next thing what we need to do is to differentiate what's inside. Differentiating 1 gives me 0. Differentiating sine x gives me cosine x. That's why in this case dy dx is equals to cosine x over 1 plus sine x. Alright, I give you just one more example. I think we should be done for the day. Okay, one more example will be something involving the product rule. Okay, product rule, what we have here is this. Y is equals to x square ln 3x. Okay, product rule, u is equals to x square. Differentiating u with respect to x gives me 2x. If v is ln 3x, differentiating v with respect to x, first I take the inverse is 1 over 3x. Differentiate what's inside. 3x gives me 3. That's why I get 3 over 3x is equals to 1 over x. Therefore, if I want dy dx is equals to v times du dx plus u times dv dx is equals to, and I am done with this chapter 17.3, and this should be enough for you to do your problems. Thank you for watching.